Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here for the online advertising lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, as a HOD of the Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my SYBCom participants for the advertising online lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about the what are the forms of the advertising, the pre-printing area in olden days, what kind of the techniques used by the seller for the advertising purpose, and now recently we have seen the internet, WhatsApp, Facebook advertisement. Let us we are going to see about the evaluation of the advertising. The word evaluation means slow and steady process of the advertising. Let us we are going to see what kind of the changes we have seen over the years for the advertising campaign. Let us discuss about the first one, early form of advertising. Under the early form of advertising, we have seen trademarks. In olden days, those who are the artisan, those who are the seller, they used to inscribe on the goods such as the pots, wooden tools, etc. They have marked the certain marks such as like stars, moon, sun, tiger, etc. And even also they had taken the support from the mouth to mouth publicity, spread information among the people about the product and service available in a particular area, in a particular region. Now let us town criers. Prior to 15th century, those who are the shopkeepers and the other seller had wore a clowny cloth and played musical instrument, flute or drum. This was one of the attraction to people, and most of the time during the festival season, during the weekly bazaar, on the occasion of the people gathered together at one central place on that time to attract the attention of the people, the most of the shopkeeper use these kind of the technique, and the concerned person is going to wear clowny cloth and with the help of the instrument attract the attention of the people and doing the mouth publicity about the product and service. Now look at the year signboards. From the last 5000 years we have witnessed with the signboards. In olden times, those who are the seller used to paint sign on a rock or board pen. Now we have seen the postal banner everywhere, but early time, from the last 5000 years, we had seen on the painting on the rock, on a board about the information about the product. Now look at the year, the birth of the printing presses. In the year 1438, Johann Gutenberg invented the crude form of the printing press. This made possible the printed advertisement in the following form. As soon as we have invented the printing press in the year 1430, now that from that time we were able to do the advertisement with the help of the printing press. The first one is that the handbills. In the year 1470, William Caxton from London brought out of the first ever printed advertisement in the form of the handbill. The advertisement was for a religious book. The newspaper advertising. The full form is a newspaper, north, east, west, south. We are going to collect the information which are going to print it on the paper. The Gutenberg invention made possible of the printing of a newspaper. The first newspaper came into existence in Germany around the 1520, and the first newspaper ad was published in about 1525 in Germany for a book. The first printed English newspaper appeared in the year 1622 called the Weekly News of London, and the first ad in an English newspaper appeared in the 1624 for a books. Magazine advertising. Magazine were the first published in the year early 70s. However, advertising in a magazine gained recognized only around the 1870. In those olden days, most of the advertisement were in the form of the poster, handbill, and in the newspaper. Then I would like to say here, after the invention of the printing press in the year 1438 in a foreign country, then we had done the advertisement on a handbill, newspaper, and the magazine advertising. Now look at the year, the third form of the advertising, the evaluation process has taken from the olden days to the printing press. Now it's a time from the birth of the ad agency. The basically is that, as I mentioned earlier in the so many topics, questions are there. Those who are the advertiser, he or she does, those manufacturer, he doesn't have that time to concentrate on the advertising process. They can take the help from the professional ad agency. The professional ad agency on behalf of the advertiser, they can prepare the ad campaign, They can find out the place, they can book the time and slot in India, and they are going to do the ad campaign on behalf of the advertising. Now, the first acknowledged ad agency was set up by William Taylor in the 1786 in England. In 1850, Walleney by Plymouth started the first American advertising agency in Philadelphia. In those days, ad agency used to act as a salesman of a space. They used to sell space in the newspaper and magazine on behalf of the publisher to the advertiser. They used to get a 25% commission for such a services. And earlier days, those were the newspaper and magazine. Those were the concerned person. They sell that space and space under the magazine and newspaper. The real advertising work such as a copywriting, artwork, etc. by the ad agency began in the early 20th century. In 1870, James Walter Thompson took over an ad agency from the Williams James Carlton and renamed as a James Walton Thompson JWT. And I would like to mention here, it is one of the oldest ad agency and service today also. Now look at the year fourth, radio advertising. And nowadays we have seen within the Mumbai, within the Pune, there are the FM channels are there, and inbuilt function of the FM in a mobile phone. Therefore, increase the popularity of the radio advertising. But I would like to mention here about the who when the radio advertising initiated. Marconi invented the radio around the 1900. The radio was introduced to the public in the early 1920. WEAF of New York is credited with airing the first paid radio commercial on August 20, 1921 for the Queensboro Corporation Advertising and Apartment Complex, Hawthorne Court Apartment in a Jackson Heights in USA. Because of the invention of radio, it was made possible to advertise to the illiterate people, those who are the illiterate people, those who are not able to write and read, they can easily understand the radio advertising. The music and sound effect of radio advertising give a new meaning to the field of advertising. Now look at the here television advertising. This is one of the costly advertising, and the maximum audience like to watch the advertisement on the television. In the 1930s, John L. Balt invented the commercial viable television. It was the most impressive medium of all time. The television advertising combined the effect of the voice, vision, music, and motions. The first TV commercial appeared in the USA on 1st July 1941 for the Bulova watches. Now the evaluation, now we are going to see about the other forms. In the 20th century, several other forms of advertising came into existence. It includes neon sign, video, skywriting, billboards, yellow pages, direct mail, etc. Now we are going to see the growth of the advertising organization. Several advertising organizations came into existence during the 20th century. These include the Audit Bureau of Circulation in 1914 in America, and later on other countries including in India 1948. Advertising Agency Association were also formed of major countries of the world, which include Advertising Agency Association of America in 1970 and Advertising Agency Association of India in 1940. Also in India, the Advertising Standard Council of India was set up in the 1985. The Advertising Association give or added inputs to the organization of advertising throughout the world. There should be the some of the rules and regulations which are going to follow at the time of the preparation of the advertisement campaign, which is led by the Advertising Standard Council of India 1985. They have given the clear cut guidance, rules and regulation, code of conduct to the advertiser, ad agency, the media owner, how to be check the advertising, and what kind of the parameter should be included in the advertising campaign. These are the transformation we have seen from the early form of the advertising to the latest form of the advertising. And now look at the here. This is a one of the interesting form of advertising. Now we have seen the rapidly increasing the space of the internet advertising. In the year 1919, we have seen the electronic advertisement of Yellow Pages. Subscriber to the internet open a website when they provide information about the company and the product. At present, internet is the fastest growing medium in the field of advertising. Various form of the internet advertising include, and I would like to quote the example here, website advertising. We can directly visit to the company website. We are going to see the product and a lot of the information through the company's website. The banners and the pop of the advertisement. When we are going to do the surfing, at any company side, we are going to see the lot of the banners and pop-up advertisement. Even also, this is the one of the interesting fact of the blog advertising. Advertising on a social networking site. Now we have the Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc. Then we have seen a lot of the advertisement on there also. Now it's now time for we are live without mobile. We can't imagine also. Therefore, mobile internet advertising. Now, mobile advertising is a part of the internet advertising. These are the information about the evaluation of advertising. Now we can go for the recap here. Early forms of advertising. Then we have seen the print media. Then we have seen the birthplace. The birth has taken from the ad agency. Then we have gone through the broadcasting media, radio and television. Then we have seen the functionary work of the regulatory organization, just like Advertising Standard Council of India, 1985. Now it's a digital form, internet form of advertising. We have a smart mobile phone, we have a laptop, internet, etc. We have used WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Then we have seen the advertisement on that platform also. And even also now we are crazy about the online games also. Even gaming apps advertisement also available. Then we can say our human life, which is surrounding by the internal external environment, everywhere we are going to see the advertisement. These are the information about the evaluation of the advertising process. Thank you all of you for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.